So class, before we dismiss this class, I would like to announce that next week will be our final exam. So that please study your lessons. So you will please study to discuss the CO steps. So I think that's all for today. Class dismissed. Wait lang. Sige, una lang kami. Nag-aakit ako sa akin. Sige, sige. Bye! Ingat kayo! Mr. Camari, please come here.
Ano ba yun?
Mr. Camari, bagsak ka.
Ha?
Yes.
Ano bang way na makapasama?
Gusto mo ba talaga pumasa?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you can, pwede ka mag-comply next week. Lahat ng namis mo na requirements.
Ano po yung mga requirements na namiss ko?
Lahat ng hindi mo na-apply. You need to comply next week. Okay lang?
Okay.
Kaya?
Thank you. Thank you.
Pero kaya ba? Time tayo sa lunch. Time tayo sa lunch.
Ka na, hindi mo pa may pasa mga subject mo. Sayang ang pinapaaral namin sa'yo ng papa mo. Palagi ka na lang may bagsak na grado simula't bata ka. Ang tanga-tanga mo talaga. Yung mga kapatid mong lalaki walang bagsak na grado. Puro honors pa. Eh ikaw, palagi na lang sumasakit ulo namin ng papa mo sa'yo. Tumigil ka na lang sa pag-aaral. Sayang ang pera sa'yo.
To everyone, I wasn't really feeling myself lately. I felt so empty, and part of me was losing its sanity. I thought distracting myself is the best way to escape from this feeling. But here I am, losing myself even more every day. I am not alone, right? I am not feeling this way. But I wonder what people do when their hearts are feeling empty. I wonder what they do to feel alive. I wish I could at least try to comfort myself and pretend that I am just having a bad day. I want to convince myself that I am not having a bad life. But this emptiness consumes me, every pieces of me. I hope I could also tell everyone that I'm okay without having a pain of sadness in my chest. I'm just really tired of telling people that I'm fine. The truth is, I'm losing my mind.
Good morning, ma'am. this is your son's instructor. I would like you to know na 3 days absent na po yung anak niyo. And we found out na nag-suicide siya sa room niya. I'm so sorry for your loss, Miss Camarin.